Hi, welcome to Bay Street. I'm Isla, one of the investment advisors at Bay Street. Whether you're well-versed in financial literacy or just started learning, our insights are designed to drop you some knowledge and inspire your journey. Here are some key takeaways from this blog on disruptive real estate technologies. The real estate industry has lagged behind other industries in incorporating technology, but this is slowly changing due to an increased demand for efficiency and transparency in property transactions. Real estate technology refers to the application of technology and innovation to the real estate industry. Popular technology trends disrupting the real estate industry include real estate management software, augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, and varied use of drones. We hope you enjoyed our content. If you'd like to schedule a meeting, please use the scheduler below. And if you'd like to stay up to date on our exclusive content and events, please connect with us on social media. We'll see you soon.